Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome again. This is Julian Williams here with your Monday Market Report. Today, guys, we got a special guest in the house. This is Mr. Mike Bartman with SWBC Mortgage. And today, we're going to talk about building and creating wealth through homeownership. All right, guys. Hey, welcome back again. This is Julian Williams, broker owner of JW Realty Partners. And again, we've got special guest Mike Bartman with SWBC Mortgage. We're going to go ahead, Mike, introduce yourself.
I'm Mike Bartman. I'm a mortgage banker with SWBC Mortgage here in Dallas.
Awesome, man. So tell us again, Mike, a little bit about your background, how long you've been originating mortgages, and kind of what your role is today with SWBC Mortgage.
So I started originating back in 2003. Saw a bunch of bumps with the mortgage crisis in '08. Seeing the crash, everything like that, and then really got into self-source originating, where I started collaborating and networking with real estate agents, financial planners, CPAs, and builders, and I've been doing that since about 2012.
Awesome, very nice. And so now you're with SWBC Mortgage, and what's your current role with that company there?
I'm the branch manager at the Highland Park location, and I also am a senior loan officer.
Awesome. So Mike, we've been working together for quite some time, helped quite a few families, and Mike, you're actually one of our preferred mortgage companies. Go to the resource. Love to pick your brain. So I thought it was interesting because we talked this weekend about what could we talk about for this particular segment. And I think the cool thing, what you brought up, was something I feel is so important in today's market, and that is increasing the gap in family wealth. And so you've got a couple of little diagrams here to kind of go over. I kind of want you to really talk about the importance of homeownership and how we can position families to not only obtain but increase their household net income and ultimately create more wealth for their families. So what is this you've got here prepared for us here, Mike? It's kind of a little...
So this is, this will come up on the PDF, but this is increasing gap in family wealth chart. And there's a survey that the Federal Reserve does called the Survey of Consumer Finances. It's done once every 3 years. And the last one, it was done in 2016, but it hasn't been published yet, so we're gonna go off of 2013. It was, they took a survey of the consumers' net worth from 2010 to 2013, and what they found was so interesting that the average renter had $5,400 in net worth, and the average homeowner had $195,400 in net worth. The average homeowner had 36 times the net worth of the average renter.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back again. This is Julian Williams, broker owner of JW Realty Partners, and I'm accompanied here with Mike Bartman, one of our preferred lenders and branch manager of SWBC Mortgage. Another thing that we want to really briefly discuss, guys, we get a lot of questions specifically from first-time home buyers. Some of the things, Mike, that we hear all the time as real estate professionals is, I can't buy a house because I don't have a 700 credit score and my credit's not the best. Another thing is I have a down payment, I have some savings, but I don't have 20% down payment saved to obtain a mortgage. So, I mean, you want to share a little bit about some of the basic underwriting guidelines and what it takes for people to take that next step and how they go about taking that next step and kind of some expectations for them when it comes to the down payment and monthly payment. So, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's a huge misconception. A study done, I think Wells Fargo did it a while back, they found that a large percentage of people thought they had to have 20% down to own a home. It's just not the case. In fact, you can actually own a home with it's very little out of pocket in some instances. We have homeownership programs with as little as 3% down. Several down payment assistance programs that provide up to 6% down payment assistance.
Wow.
So, you don't have to have perfect credit to buy a home. You don't have to have tens of thousands of dollars in the bank to buy a home. You have the opportunity to build wealth through homeownership. In most cases, it's just not having the information that you may need or not understanding the action steps it takes to get there. So give me a call, give Julian a call. We're ready to help, take that next step and help you discover, what it looks like to become a homeowner.